I'm done with my OET exam. It was like not that difficult. It was pretty much easy. I did it. And guys, right now I'm like enjoying the weather. Look at here. It's amazing in New York. After my OET exam, I'm going to Governor's Island, and from this place, there's a ferry that goes to that Governor's Island. This is the ferry point from where you can get the ferry. From there, I'll be going to Governor's Island. It's going to be an amazing ride. Let's see. They have the timing for the ferries. So the fare for the ferry ride is $3 for return ticket. So guys, I'm waiting for Governor's Island ferry. It's the waiting area. I got the tickets. So these are my tickets. Like you can get return ticket, like round trip ticket in $3. And this is the pamphlet you'll get. So in that you can see what places you can visit, and it's going to be an awesome trip. So guys, I have reached this Governor's Island. Look at here. It's the main entry here, and this place is fucking amazing. Look at this. The Island Oyster. This is a kind of cafeteria you can eat here. So guys, this is the art center of Governor's Island. I'm going inside. Guys, I have reached this part of Governor's Island where I can find these are the bike station, and you can have water bottles from this side. This is a old castle, and you can see the Manhattan behind it, and this is Brooklyn. On the right hand side you can see the Brooklyn, and on the left hand side you can see the Manhattan. So guys, you can rent all these bikes. These are the small bikes. You can rent the bigger one also, the normal size bikes. So they have every kind of bike here, and this place you can rent it from here. It's on the Governor Island only. Guys, they have these amazing rickshaws also, so you can ride these rickshaws, and look at them. Isn't it amazing? Like two people can pedal this rickshaw, and they have their own steering wheel also. So for riding this, you have to pedal it here this way, and this is the steering wheel. Both people can use the steering wheel, and I think this is the brake. So guys, look at this. This is the New York Harbor School. This is Fort J. This is one of the iconic building on Governor's Island, and in front of this monument You can see a kind of zigzag path. Look at this, guys. Isn't this amazing? Actually, they have kind of maze in front of the house. So this is the maze. I'm going over there and I don't know which way I'll reach. Let's see. And this is the governor's house behind me. So guys, this place is pretty amazing. I never seen such a green area in my life, and this area is such a lush green area. You can see, like, it's amazing the way they cut the grass and they maintain these parks. Guys, I have never seen this beautiful place in my life. Actually, if I'm saying it, I mean it. Like, I really mean it. इससे ज़्यादा सुंदर मैंने कभी देखा नहीं. And you can see the New York Manhattan is over there, and this lush green pristine area is just in front of bustling and busy lifestyle of New York. So, like, imagine like a paradise in front of you. So guys, if you can see, this Statue of Liberty is just behind me, and like this way you can see the Staten Island is there. You can see the people are barbecuing their food here, and some people are dancing also. So guys, this place has a plenty of plantation also, so you can see every kind of plant. Right now I'm seeing the ferns and the birch trees. Sometimes I see oak trees. So every kind of thing is here. So guys, I'm really enjoying this weather and this serenity. It's really good. If you say, like, if you are coming to this place, just do 2 or 3 things. First, check that weather is good, because sometimes it's cloudy, sometimes it's raining. So on sunny day it will be very good. And check for the ferry tickets. So ferry tickets to this place cost around, for the round trip it costs around $3. And what else do you need? Carry an umbrella and water bottle, because water is pretty expensive here. And umbrella for like any weather change, anything, you will be protected. And just take out some time. Like, if you're coming for 3 or 4 hours, then consider trying to make it 6 hours, because you'll have to, if you're like coming here, it's not just visiting this place. You have to come and sit here to feel the natural beauty of this place. This place is an amazing place. So guys, the weather has changed. Right now it's raining. You can see it's raining, and probably it will rain for like 5 minutes, but I don't want to get wet right now. So let's see. I have a jacket, like a wind cheater type of jacket, where I can use that if it rains pretty much. But I don't think it will rain that much, because the clouds are pretty less. Look. guys, this place really gives me the feeling of Shutter Island, because in that movie the same kind of prison, like mental asylum, was there, and it gives me the feeling of that same place, the Shutter Island. They even have theater, but it's closed because of the COVID. So you can see it is not maintained right now. Earlier it was. Here you can find a small church. This is basically a church. I'll see that Governor's Island Church. So look at this place. They have the cannons, and this is known as South Battery. I think it was supposed to be for the battle or something. So here they can like put their ammunition and everything. So these are the cannons. Behind me you can see there's a big park, there's a football field. So actually people can play here. So this is the football field. This place is known as Yard. You can see. So people can play here, playground. This is a playground for children, but it's like some kind of unusual thing. I don't know, I haven't seen any playground like this. Maybe some unusual kind of a playground. So they have these broken things and everything. Oh. This home used to be the commanding officer's house, but right now they have converted into some kind of museum. So guys, this park is basically, the Governor's Park has been purchased by the Prince of Netherlands from Native American Indian tribe. They used to live here, and they used to call this island as Paganak. So it is written here. So Paganak. So they bought this in the exchange of 2 axe heads and a string of beads and handful of nails. Parade ground for Governor's Island. So this is the Fort J. It was used to defend the city. So you can see that, and the people who defended the city are sitting here. So this is the Fort J, and due to the renovation, it is basically closed for the visitors. And you can see there's a canal, or like water canal, just outside this fort, and it is basically for protection, because people